So, you want to move to New York?
Ben was on the phone to New York. We're looking to pick up a new radio show.
Interested in us? Excellent.
Are you serious?
Ian just got the word today, and I'm taking you out to celebrate.
Let's go.
It's like God gives each of us a life and then says, okay, let's see what you can do with it.
You'll have a better opportunity to practice your law. I'll have a national platform for my ideas.
And a house in a better neighborhood, right?
Of course. You know, Eileen, now I can finally start to make a difference.
But when I look around me, I don't see the industrious people Bastiat describes. Something is definitely wrong. When life is painful, does that pain change reality?
I'm thinking, screw doing the right thing. It's not going to bring Eileen back.
Is life nothing more than the accumulation of our experiences?
You gotta stop torturing yourself like this. I mean, we're all trapped in this thing called life, you know?
Or are there permanent truths which give our lives meaning?
Maybe life doesn't mean anything after all. The same crap, different day, and then you die. Yes, this is he.
This is Ms. Helms calling from the Department of Children's Services. Why haven't you come down to pick up your son?
Your son? Russ, you are starting to sound like a soap opera.